We're in downtown Delray Beach at El Camino. If you're in the area for Cinco de Mayo, this is your spot.
They're known for their infusions and they have a selection of 400 plus tequilas and mezcals. And if you like mezcal like I do, this is definitely a spot that you want to check out.
Jeff Friggin with El Camino in downtown Delray. Make sure you come try the watermelon jalapeno margarita for Cinco de Mayo. I'll see you here.
We're in Coral Springs, our hometown at Tijuana Taxi. Fun fact, this is actually the first bar that we've ever worked at.
They're throwing their annual block party Saturday and Sunday with a live band, giveaways, and activities for the kiddies, so come check them out.
Hi guys, my name's Ashley from Tijuana Taxi. Come visit me for Cinco and have a classic margarita.
We have made it all the way down south and now we're at Bodega in South Beach.
This may look like your typical taco stand, but there's a secret entrance that leads to a speakeasy lounge in the back.
Follow us.
Hi, my name is Kiri. Come visit me at Bodega and try the Cinco de Mayo drink, Taco Fresca.
We're at Taco Craft in downtown Fort Lauderdale and there's going to be a block party for Cinco de Mayo.
They're going to have live wrestling right outside, so you can watch wrestling while you eat your tacos. It's going to be wild. Let's go check it out.
come see me on Cinco at Taco Craft downtown Fort Lauderdale and try the strawberry basil.
We're here in the heart of Wynwood at Coyo Taco. If you're in Miami, you have to check this place out for Cinco de Mayo.
There's always a line out the door for the tacos, and make sure you look for the door guide because there's a speakeasy in the back.
Let's go check it out. Hi, I'm Iman. Come see me at Coyo and try the Coyo Classic.